Hello everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to show you a little trick that it will show you if your couch is dirty. As you see, we have a dog here playing on the couch, but it seems like there's no dirt on the couch. How do you know if it's time for you to do a professional cleaning? Here I have a vacuum cleaner and I got a regular white towel that is brand new, clean. I'm gonna hook it up to the end of the hose. I'm gonna turn on my vacuum and then I'm gonna vacuum the arms and the seats, and you will see what's gonna show up here. Now let's see what we got. Look at that towel. That can tell you that this couch needs a good professional cleaning. If you want to know if you need to clean your couch professionally or hire someone, do a towel test, hooked it up to a vacuum cleaner, kick the dog out of the couch and give us a call and we can help you with upholstery cleaning. One more time, this is Dayton with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Thank you.